Welcome back to another video. My name is Iori. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. A few months ago, I bought the cheapest shifter on the internet off of eBay. And let's just say you get what you paid for. It didn't hold up. It's very wobbly and a lot of parts still didn't fit right to begin with. So today I am going to install Moss Miata shifter. Hopefully I'll be able to put into third instead of 5. I feel like I will though. So first thing first, we're gonna open this and let's see what's inside. Alright, these little parts. Ooh, it came with a boot. I didn't know that. Nice. So this is the actual rebuilt kit. It's like all the bushing and stuff. That's what's important. And that's the brand new like a top plate. And I am very excited about this new boot. You're gonna laugh at me. Well, my old one is actually in horrible shape and I'm gonna show you in a minute, but it's really bad. All right, so I just wanted to let you know that this is not gonna be a tutorial video or like how you do it. I'm just gonna film this. This is how I do it, and it's not instruction videos. If you guys do it differently, just let me know in the comment. I would like to learn, so let's get it started. All right, we're in the car. Before we start, just make sure you're out of gear, otherwise you'll be screwed. So I'll show you. So it's really sloppy, it's really loose. And you can really tell which gear you're in. So when I'm on the street banging gears, when I step 5th instead of 3rd, I look like I don't know how to drive. Y'all already know, I know what I'm doing. I lost my screwdriver. In this video, I look very stupid because that's the only thing I could find. That's my screwdriver today. This is my screwdriver. Center console is bolted by 5 bolts, connected by 5 bolts. 2 right here, 2 right here, and 1 in the middle. And I'm gonna remove it. Just try not to strip any of the bolts. Yeah. One out. I'm just gonna throw it in here. Take it out. Just make sure you loosen the shifter knob. Yeah, shifter knob. Take that off. Oh, actually, well, that happens sometimes. Like this. Oh, Iori. Well, usually I don't do this, but today I kind of have to. Now it's out. I told you in the beginning, this is my way, don't judge, please. Here, I'll show you. Just disconnect all that wires and stuff. That's good. And one right here. Just be gentle. Do not damage anything. This is the problem. Let me take it out. It's so slippery. I'll worry about that later. But
what the fuck is that? Is that styrofoam?
Yes, because it got super hot. I have to do this kind of because there's a reason. I'll show you why I did this. I know it looks stupid, but it helped from getting too hot. Are you guys ready? Doo-doo! Yeah, my boot is it's super bad. Now, gotta remove this. My ship froggy. My boot is super rough. See that? When I bought the cheapest shifter kit, it did not come with the boots, so that's why I had a massive hole in my boot. That's why I put the styrofoam. So this is the $30 quality, and it's been like 6 months, and it's already loose. Let's just get this out. plastic cup that came with broke after like a month or so, so I just rocking it without it. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's been destroyed. It's like all melted and squished. It's really bad. No wonder why my shifter was so loose. Okay, that's the new pieces that I got from Moss Miata. 3 shoes and plastic piece. Great. Okay, that came out pretty easy. Put the new one in. Okay, that went in smoothly. Great, great, great. So this one of the metal bushing, like ring bushing. Put that in there, and this thicker one that has like a curve that goes towards the back. And then this on top. Nice. Usually you want to change this transmission oil, but I recently changed it, so I'm not gonna do it. You want to do that though when you change the shifter. Again, this clip. Nice. Ooh, you can tell it's tight. Love it. And this goes on top. Like that. Very nice, very nice. Okay. And then new cover. Okay. There's a torque spec for these, but I don't feel like doing it today, so I'm just gonna get it pretty tight. Getting the shift knob loosened was super hard, so I would not recommend this, but I'm gonna put some Loctite on this so it doesn't happen again, and just a little bit, and just in there pretty tight. That's good. Alright, let's move on to the boot. I am so excited about this boot because you have no idea. It gets hot in Arizona, and this will help and just get it down a little bit. Like, not all the way, just make sure it seals so no hot air will get out. Okay, like that. That's actually perfect. Let's not forget. Make sure you tuck everything in. Shifter knob. Okay, now it's complete. Let's check the tightness of this shifter. Oh, good. Moment of truth. Wait. What? How? Why? Bro, I don't know what happened. I did something wrong. Maybe. Look at this. This cannot be right. Clutch in. Nope. Something is not right. It's too tight. Can't even drive it. So I will mess with it tomorrow. It's getting dark, so I don't want to do it today.
The next day.
Yeah. Alright, so I got it. Nice. Focus, yes. this thing out. I don't know how I got there, but it was down there. Oh, oh, that was so bad. Okay. Okay. We put the shifter back together, and let's see how it feels. Okay. Ready? Whoa! Oh my god, it's tight! That's super cool. I love it. My shifter is all greasy right now. It's very slippery and shiny. Can't wait to get this thing on the road. Let's finish it up. Hello, I'm filming an outro because I forgot to film an outro again. The reason why the shifter didn't want to go into gear was because the bottom plastic piece that you see on the video was somehow got lost in the oil. Other than that, it was perfect, and now my shifter is very crispy. I can't wait to drive it on the road soon. My hair looking crazy and my forehead is big as hell. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Mata ne!